In this video, you're going to learn how to make the easiest and most inexpensive gift bags you've ever made. All you need is an envelope. Now you can see you can make them really different by using different coloured envelopes, using big envelopes, small envelopes, wide envelopes, narrow envelopes. You can stick whatever you like on. You can make holes in them to give a different embellishment. You could even put a nice ribbon on and carry the bag. Use them for wedding favours, party bags, or just to give a little gifting. Great for jewellery. So let's get started. All I'm going to use is a really simple, boring office envelope. Now you could use a fancy envelope, but just to show you how inexpensive this can be, the cheapest envelope possible. So all you're going to do is seal your envelope shut. Now you'll see that I'm just going to seal those extra bits at the side. You don't have to, but it just makes it a complete glued bit at the bottom of your bag. And then just seal your envelope however it does. So it's completely closed. And then all you're going to do, in my case, is cut the envelope in half. If you want a tall gift bag, just cut one end off. But I'm going to make two gift bags out of this. And I'm using some children's scissors. They give a nice little zigzag top, but you can use any scissors you like, or you could use your cutting wheel and board. So long as you end up with basically a little bag. Now to make it a proper gift bag, you're going to fold on the bottom about centimetre, half an inch, that sort of size. I mean, obviously the size is up to you, so I wouldn't get too stressed about it. And then fold it back the other way, just to give you a good proper fold. And you can see I'm not being precise about it, I'm not measuring it, I'm just doing it. And then repeat that for each side of your bag. So again, you can see, get a good crease, turn it all over, get a good crease the other way. Do that again, and then we'll be ready to start making it 3D. If you're enjoying this video, please press the like button and then it'll pass to more people, and more people will be able to make their little gift bags, which you may have seen called bag-a-lopes, which is a great name for a bag made from an envelope. So anyway, open it up and you can see you can squash that bottom flat and you can start to get that point. Now, if on each side you fold it in, it'll really help you to get that point. And once you've got it, you can see it's going to go onto the bottom of your bag. Once you're happy with it, turn your attentions to the other end. So form that point, fold your sides in, and then make sure that point will go nicely on the bottom of your bag. Then you need to glue those points down to give you that stability and that 3D on the bottom of your bag. I'm just using some glue dots. You can use any glue you like, it really doesn't matter. You could even tape them in place, whatever works for you. A lot of my crafts are very much about doing it with what you've got and as inexpensively as possible. So again on the other side, and then all you're going to do is press those points down. So you can push them over. You're going to need to pop something inside the bag, like your fingers. And then once you've got them both down, I recommend standing the bag down onto your desk and pressing them in place to make sure they're nice and firm. And there you go, as quick as that. And believe me, you get very quick at these if you make a few. You've got your gift bag. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to enjoy making yours and embellishing them for whatever occasion you like. And as you can see, great variety. So enjoy yours and do let me know in the comments below what you use yours for.